So yes, I got a new e-bike and it's perfect for summer here in San Diego. This is the Upland Plus by Mokwheel. It is a large size e-bike, 26 by 4-inch fat tires with 750 watt motor, 48 volt, 16 amp hour battery with a payload capacity of 350 pounds. The range is for around 35 to 55 miles. So let's do a quick unboxing, take it out for a test drive, and I'll tell you more about it. Okay, the bike arrived very well packaged. They also included additional parts like brakes and assembly tools. There's also an air pump, the charger, and instructions. There are lots of zip ties to cut and packaging protection material. So in the meantime, the bike is getting, I'm assembling the bike. I'm going to charge the battery to be sure that it's fully charged and ready to go. So we have the charger. Oh, I like this type of charger. It's just simple, easy. I have this other charger, which sucks because I have to align it. Notice that? I really don't like this one. Much easier this way. Okay, so first we need to install the handlebars. So be sure to align it correctly before locking the screws, or you'll be making adjustments later. It is now time to install the front tire. It is recommended to flip the bike for easy installation. Just be sure not to damage the LCD screen. Now, even though the front tire is not quick release, it is super easy and fast to install. Alright, so now it's time to put some air in the tires. It says maximum 20 psi. Let's check it out here. Have this little compressor which I just reviewed recently. Let's turn it on. See how it's Okay, so it seems to be ready. Now, the one thing I noticed is that the chain doesn't have any lube. Just gonna lube it. The handlebars feel nice and comfortable. The throttle is on the right along with a Shimano 7-gear shifter, which is very responsive and reliable. On the left we have the horn, lights, power button, and controls. The headlight is small and the taillight is bright enough for the day. I like that they added this guide for the handlebar alignment. You can also adjust the height. Now it is a nice touch that they added these options for different type of riders. The LCD screen is bright even under daylight, and you can also adjust the brightness. The cable management looks clean and organized. Now the front suspension in combination with the 4-inch fat tires and the super comfortable seat makes this e-bike one heck of a comfortable ride. The brakes are made by Zoom and they also come with 180mm disc brakes, which are good enough to stop the bike, but I feel like they should have used hydraulic instead. The battery is placed on top and you can also charge it while it's mounted on the e-bike. They also included fenders and this huge rack, which is a nice touch. Now overall the bike looks really nice. I love the paint. I think they did an excellent job. Now something I want to point out is that this bike is made for tall people. I'm 5'9" and I have to lower the seat all the way down so I can ride comfortably. The minimum seat height is around 34 inches and the maximum is around 43 inches. So short riders might have problems getting on. Alright, so I've been riding this bike for 7 miles now. I'm gonna put it to the test. I'm gonna show you the top speed and also some really cool features. That, for example, I have this passenger 0, right? So there's no pedal assistant right now. And also throttle doesn't work. It only works when you press at least passenger level 1. But the funny thing is, like, even if it works like that, it has a limitation. So for example, this, I can go top speed of 10 miles per hour. That's it. But if I increase pedal assistant, it'll go faster. So now it'll go to 14 miles per hour, 15. One more, passenger level 3. It'll increase. Now it's at 17, 18, 19 miles per hour. 20 miles per hour actually. Let's increase one more. Passenger assistant 4. That's 21. 21. Passenger assistant level 5. That's 22. 23 miles per hour. 24. Speed 24 miles per hour. I think that's the top speed right there. So the throttle works depending on the pedal assist that you have. That's a pretty cool feature. I've never seen that before. So yeah, I kind of like it too. So let's start. Let's just ride the bike without any pedal assist. I'm have a gear 6. I have to lower it down. Let me see if I can. Oh, because this bike is heavy. Oh God, it is really heavy. Let's change this. There you go. I mean, obviously you can ride the bike as a normal, regular bicycle, but it is going to be heavy. You're gonna feel it on your legs. So let's hit passenger assistant level 1. I feel like a little tiny bit difference. Passenger level 2. Here I feel it now. Yeah, the motors are kicking in. Now I have to gear up to gear 3. I'm hitting about 13 miles per hour. Passenger assistant level 3. Oh wow, okay. I feel it more. Can feel it. There you go. 18 miles per hour. Passenger level 4. 20 miles per hour. 21. Passenger level 5. Gear 7. 23, 24 miles per hour. Probably. Yeah. Let's hit the brakes. So I think right now top speed is 24 miles per hour. I still need to play around with the P settings, and I will let you guys know how that works. Okay. Well, even though this e-bike has a nice, powerful motor, 750 watts to be exact, it's a workout. That's what I like about e-bikes. They're fun, but you still work out. So another thing that I always look is for the brake system. Now these are mechanical brakes. They make a little bit of noise, especially like the front one. So I'm probably gonna need to make some adjustments. Out of the box, they do a pretty good job. I've seen better for sure. Honestly, on these bikes, this is so heavy. I wish it would have at least hydraulic brakes, just because it's so heavy. I feel like hydraulic would have done a better job. So another thing I like about this bike is how comfortable the seat is. The ride, it's super comfortable, and the seat, oh my God, it's one of the best seats I've ridden between all those e-bikes that I have tested before. It's wide, it's super comfortable. It has like dual springs in there. It makes a huge difference. Honestly, I thought at first the seat was kind of loose, because it was just like sort of like, it feels like it's moving, but it's the springs that are doing their job. Also the front fork suspension, it's very soft, makes everything right on the road or off-road super comfortable. Let's go to the street.
Wait.
Another feature that I like are the handlebars. Even though they look very common, I've seen this before, but I haven't tested one that has adjustable handlebar right here, this arm right here, which makes it easier for shorter riders, or maybe if you're taller and you need more space for your arms, you can adjust this little arm. You can make it closer to you or further away from you. So as of right now, the distance is pretty much perfect for me, but it's really nice and it's really comfortable, and I like that it has options for different type of riders. Okay, I'm going to put it to a test going uphill. Let's see how we do. Going uphill, passenger level 3. Oh no. Okay, it's doing okay, but honestly I want to go faster, so let's put it to passenger level 5. See how it feels. (11, 13, 12), between 12 and 12 miles per hour, which is not bad considering that this bike is heavy and I'm 240 pounds. So yeah, it's good for going uphill. I'm pretty sure that if you weigh less than that, your bike is going to perform even better. Most importantly is that this bike has power, but it's super comfortable. That's what I'm enjoying the most. The comfort ride, suspension, the seat, the wheels, the tires. This bike is super comfortable, very stable, very strong, and it looks good. I like it.